The member for Sherwood Park, Fort Saskatchewan.
Mr. Speaker, Ásia Bibi is a loyal, law-abiding Pakistani Christian woman who faces trumped-up blasphemy charges and a possible death sentence. Pakistan's blasphemy law is in urgent need of reform. It is often used to target minorities in personal disputes. Asia's case has gotten attention because two prominent Pakistani politicians gave their lives to advocate for her. Shahbaz Bhatti and Salman Taseer were both killed because of their calls for blasphemy law reform and their advocacy for Ásia. These men were heroes who gave their lives out of a true patriotism rooted in their humanism. They did not die in vain. In the Ásia case, Pakistan's leaders have a clear choice. The world is watching. You cannot expect to be welcomed into the community of nations on favorable terms while putting innocent people on death row. All forms of violence against the innocent are extremism by definition. This case will be a defining moment. Will Pakistan's leaders release this innocent woman and reap the benefits of our strengthened relations, or will they choose extremism? For Asia's sake and for the sake of all Pakistanis, I hope they make the right choice.